Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make stuffed zucchini in a plain natural yogurt. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, let's see our ingredients. I have here 1 kilo and 600 grams of zucchini. We're gonna need 1.5 cup of rice, 200 grams of ground beef, 1 spoon of salt, half spoon of mixed spices, half spoon of sweet paprika, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of black pepper, small spoon of oregano, big spoon of margarine, and yogurt. I'm gonna use here the dry yogurt, Jamid. We talked about it before. These are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare stuffed zucchini with yogurt. First, we're gonna rinse the rice and leave it in soak for 30 minutes. Then we're gonna use half of our dry yogurt. We're gonna chop it with a knife and leave it on soak too. And now let's see how to deal with the zucchini. First we have to take the head of the zucchini and the bottom of it. To fill up the zucchini, we must take out all the pulp from it. And for that we're gonna use two kind of metal picker. This is the first one, this is the traditional one. In the beginning, you have to measure how long you're gonna go inside the zucchini. Put the picker on the zucchini, and we don't wanna reach until the very end of the zucchini from inside. Measure how long you're gonna need it to go inside the zucchini, and put your hands there. Then start to clean the zucchini from inside. First, make a little circle and start to roll the picker little by little. In the same time, roll the zucchini with your other hand to the opposite direction of the picker, like you see in the video. Little by little, go taking out the zucchini pulp from inside and clean it well. This is one method, and we're gonna use the other picker. As you see, the other one have a very sharp end and two little circles. Put it on the middle of the head of the zucchini and start rolling it like you see in the video. I think this one is better from the other or the first one. And it's easier for you to use this one first, then continue cleaning with the first one. It's up to you. You can use either one of those pickers, or you can use both in the same time. Clean the zucchini well from inside, and you have to know two things. First, we don't want the zucchini very thin, so it will open up when you cooked it. The second thing, don't reach all the way down with your picker, as I told you before. And this is how it look after we take the stuff from inside. During cleaning, have a bowl with a cold water beside you, and each one of the zucchini cleaned, put it on the water. After you finished all the zucchini, clean them with cold water from inside and outside. Put them on a strainer and leave them to get rid from the water if there is any inside the zucchini. And now let's see how we do the filling. On the rice, add the spices we have, the salt, the oregano, the margarine, and the ground beef. Mix them all together and let's start stuffing the zucchini. With your hand, take a little bit of the filling and start fill the zucchini little by little, like you see in the video. And don't fill it all the way to the top. Leave a space for the rice, because when we cook it, it's gonna double the size of it. In a pot over the stove, put some water and leave it to boil. After we finished all the filling, we're gonna boil it in the water that we put in the stove before, like you see in the video. Don't worry, the filling is not gonna come out. Meanwhile, I'm gonna prepare our yogurt. As I told you before, I'm gonna use a hard yogurt here. I left it in soak, and now I'm gonna put it on mixer and mix them together, the water and the yogurt. But if you don't have this kind of yogurt, you can use the natural plain yogurt you have. Each kilo of zucchini gonna need 400 grams of plain yogurt. Add a small spoon of starch on it and mix all together and put it in a medium-low heat and leave it boil. Don't forget to mix it while it's boiling. So I'm gonna put my yogurt over the stove and leave it boil. We're gonna leave the zucchini boiling with water for around half an hour. After that, take it out and put it on the boiling yogurt like you see in the video. Leave it boil with the yogurt for around 30 minutes. And during that, don't forget to stir it softly. After 30 minutes, take it out and put it on the presentation plate. Then toast some almonds with margarine. And add it over it. And this is our final look to our dish today. Stuffed zucchini with natural plain yogurt. That's all for today, my friends, and if you have any questions, please leave it on the comment area. Thank you for watching and God bless you.